Expected value is the mean of an event for a probability distribution. Probability distributions could also be referred to as relative frequency distributions. And the notation for expected value is E of x. And the way that we calculate the expected value is we take n sub 1, which stands for the value of outcome 1, and multiply it with its probability or relative frequency. Then we add on the second value for outcome 2 and multiply it by its relative frequency. We continue doing that until we have added all of the values and probabilities related to a situation. Here's an example to help understand that formula and the idea. In American roulette, $1 may be placed. An example to help understand the formula for expected value and also to see a problem worked out with this is in American roulette, a bettor may place a $1 bet on any one of the 38 numbers on the roulette wheel. They win $35 plus the return of their bet if the ball lands on their number. Otherwise, they lose their bet. Okay, so there's two outcomes on a roulette table with this particular problem. And that is that you could win or you could lose. And if you win, the payout is to receive a positive $35. I'm going to call that N, that's the value for the first outcome. And its frequency would be 1 out of 38 because there's only one number that you're putting your bet on and there's 38 numbers. Then the other outcome is loss. And the payout is that you don't win money. Instead, you're losing the $1 bet. So its value is -1. And its probability or relative frequency is 37 out of 38. So to find out what the expected value is, or the mean, you would take each payout and multiply it with the relative frequency or probability. The expected value for this roulette problem is a -0.0526, which I will round to 2 decimal places and report as a loss of 5 cents. What that means is if a player were to indefinitely play this game, then it would be a loss of 5 cents per bet played. So if they were to play this 100 times, then by the time they're done playing those 100 times, they would expect to have only lost $5. Of course, that's not going to be exactly how it is. Someone after 100 times could walk away with a lot of wins, and someone else could walk away with a loss of $100.